Ever wondered how local businesses pop up on your search results? It's all about NAP in local SEO. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. It's crucial for local SEO. Consistent NAP information across the web boosts your business's visibility. Inaccurate NAP can lead to a poor user experience and lower search rankings. Ensure your NAP is correct on your website, social media, and directories. NAP consistency helps search engines trust your business, improving your local ranking. Remember, NAP is more than just information. It's a tool for visibility. So, keep your NAP consistent and watch your local SEO soar. Now you know the secret to local SEO. It's all in the NAP. Stay tuned for more SEO tips and tricks. Happy optimizing!